the House of Reps, kuma za a kawo gwamna. PDP! PDP! Mutanen Kano, ɗan Kanawa, Assalamu alaikum. Kamar yi muku magana Hausa zan yi a Turanci. I want to address you, the people of Kano and Nigeria in Kano today. A political party must discuss its policies at home, in-house, and agree on how best to implement for the interest of the ordinary people. That is how we do it in the PDP. In the other party called APC, which is a contraption, they do not discuss any policies because they have no policies. They only came to take over power for their own selfish interests. Since they came, they have been suffering the Nigerian people on a daily basis. There is no fuel for you. There is no food. There is no money. All this time, Nigerian people are suffering. They are killing all our people in the villages and even in the towns. They have done nothing. The governors do nothing. But today, because they have collected plenty of money to come and buy votes, they are busy quarreling among themselves on who is responsible. Who is responsible is APC. It's not only Buhari, it's not any Kaba in the villa, it is APC that brought us problems in this country. Under PDP, we were doing very well. We were becoming the richest economy in Africa. Today, after 8 years of suffering Nigerians and they have nothing to offer, they have come with a policy of changing currency on the last minute. Nobody asked them to change currency. It's APC that decided to change the currency of Nigeria. They can't implement it. It's their problem. It is not the problem of PDP and it's not the problem of any other Nigerian. They are the ones who are making you to suffer. If they disagree among themselves, let them pack out their things and go. You should vote them out because they have nothing to offer. PDP we know what to do. When we take over power, we know exactly what to do to bring succor to the ordinary Nigerian. So today, here in the city of Kano, the city of progress, the city of Kano, and other distinguished people, I am telling you, the people of Nigeria, that APC is a party of suffering. It's a party that will bring problems. Anybody voting for PDP wants to continue to suffer. So whether it's Rufai, whether it's Sanwo-Olu, whether it's Ganduje, all they are telling you is a series of lies. They have nothing to offer the Talaka in Nigeria. We will come back. Our president, Atiku Abubakar, whom you will vote to power in the next few weeks, we will rally around him. We will discuss our policies. We will see where they are affecting you. We will make sure we implement the successful policy that will bring back Nigeria to its glory. We are supposed to be the leaders in Africa and everywhere in the world. We should be respected. PDP has brought us shame and we will not continue to return them in power. APC. Vote for PDP from top to bottom, from bottom to top.